Alrighty, good morning, Arkansas. This is Assistant Chief Forecaster Cameron back here once again. I'm here to give you guys your morning weather update for today here. So, with that being said here, yesterday morning we had a good amount of shower and thunderstorm activity across southern and southeastern Arkansas. This morning more the same here. And just looking at radar right now, that tells me that the heat ridge is beginning to set in motion across Arkansas here. So at this time, we only on radar, we had that one shower that we've been monitoring over the last, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes here near Clinton at this current time, but it's not going to last long. That shower is quickly fading away here. So right now across the natural state, all is clear. Let's go ahead and talk about temperatures here. And guys, I want to stress, this is 5 o'clock in the morning, by the way, 5 a.m. Temperatures already in the upper 70s to low 80s across Arkansas here, with Pine Bluff coming in at 81, 79 in El Dorado, 77 in Pine Bluff, 77 in Camden, 81 in Pine Bluff, 79 in the Metro, also in Texarkana, 72 in Mena, 79 up there in Fort Smith at this current point here, also 79 in Jonesboro, and also in Newport at this current point, and also 79 in Searcy at this time here. So just giving you guys a zoomed out version of what's going on across the area here. Temperatures are going to be a very big story over the next couple of days here. I cannot stress the importance of staying hydrated, and also the importance of taking frequent breaks if you're working outdoors in this heat here. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and talk about heat indexes here. So I miscorrected here. These are the current temperatures here. These are the current heat indexes here. So the current temperatures you just saw, these are the heat indexes right now here. So heat indexes right now, Pine Bluff, 5 o'clock in the morning, by the way. Pine Bluff's coming in at 86 degrees at this current time here at 5 o'clock in the morning. So that tells you right there that it is setting the stage for a very warm and a very muggy day across Arkansas here. So will there be relief? We've had a lot of people comment. We've had a lot of people message us on the page. Will there be relief coming over the next 7 days here? Right now, let's just say I know the answer to that question, but I want you guys, and this is going to be kind of like an engagement question here, and I want you guys to leave a comment below. What do you think? I made a post yesterday that we were looking at the GFS and we were looking at the Euro. And GFS suggested 70s and 80s, while Euro was suggesting the other possibility here. So which computer model guidance do you think caved to the other here? Because I know the answer. I know the answer to what happened. If you're a weather enthusiast, try not to spoil it for other people, because I know a lot of folks that do like looking at computer models outside of us, so don't spoil it for others. Just kind of keep it to yourself. I got the post coming up at 8 o'clock this morning here, so that'll be the answer to what happened. But I want to hear you guys' thoughts. I want to know what do you guys think? Which computer model guidance not really busted, which one caved? Was it the GFS that caved to Euro, or did Euro cave to the GFS here? But that being said, let's go ahead and talk about your weather highlights for today here. And one thing that's noting, heat advisory for today here is all the way till 7 o'clock this evening. I'm fully expecting it to be extended to tomorrow, to Thursday, to Friday, and even into the weekend here, guys. Heat is going to be a serious problem here in Arkansas. Take care. Check on the elderly. Check on the pets. Check on those that don't have AC. Stay hydrated. Take frequent breaks. Also, if you are running errands, if at all possible, leave your kids at home and leave your pets at home. If they have to come with you, try to make the duration of your errand very short, and also keep the AC running in your car. I know it kind of wastes gas, but I would rather waste gas than to come back to a broken windshield from someone trying to save your kid or your pet here. So just keep that in mind for today here. So isolated showers and storms will be possible this afternoon, guys, but I would not expect much. Over the last 2 days, we've been lucky enough to get a good amount of shower and thunderstorm activity across the natural state here, but with that front washing out and the ridge beginning to build in, I'm not expecting much in the way of shower and thunderstorm activity today. If you get rainfall today, if you get any sort of thunderstorm today, consider yourself very, very lucky. Not everyone is going to see any sort of shower and thunderstorm development today. Also, the heat wave continues for Arkansas here. Heat indexes values looks to be between 105 and 110 today, so just keep that in mind Make sure to stay hydrated and take frequent breaks as necessary if you're working outdoors here. And also, the interesting weekend in the early next week. What happened? Did GFS cave to Euro, or the Euro cave to GFS? I want to hear you guys' thoughts here. So, that being said, let's go ahead and talk about your morning regional outlook here. And one thing is noting, I did pay attention to you guys' thoughts last night. I fully appreciate everyone that commented on the post here. We are making changes to our evening forecast here. We're also going to be making changes to our morning forecast here. So this is probably going to be the last time you're going to see this format here. But with that being said, partly cloudy skies for today. 20% chance of rain. If you see rainfall today, consider yourself very lucky here. Regardless, dangerous heat indexes. We're talking 105 degrees or above, near 110 across the natural state here, with high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Overnight lows not dropping off much either, in the upper 70s, and even in some cases as far as southeastern Arkansas in the low 80s for tonight here. So continue to monitor us right here on your source for all things Arkansas weather.